Hello guys, today I'll demonstrate you how to install the humidifier with the auto controller unit. The humidifier unit comes with 5-liter capacity water tank. You can manually fill the water or you can directly connect to the water source so the water can be automatically drawn based on the usage. The float valve controls the amount of water that lets into the water tank. The humidifier unit needs to be connected to the auto controller unit. Auto controller unit comes with the socket, power socket. Using that power socket, you need to use the connectors of the humidifier to insert into the socket. Unscrew the screws. Insert the wires, connecting wires, and then tighten the screws to install the humidifier. While you're doing so, both humidifier unit and the auto controller unit, make sure both of them in off position. If you keep them in on position, either of it, the unit might not work properly at the initial setup. What it means is that now, while you're doing the installation, you have kept the unit on. So when you try to do the adjustment using the knobs, left and right knob, to set the humidity lower and upper limit, the knob doesn't sense by the controller unit. So in that case, you just need to put off the power source for the auto controller unit off, and then on the power source. This way you can correct the mistakes. Once you did it, the auto controller, based on the settings, it will either starts or stops the humidifier unit. Using the left knob set the lower limit, using the right knob set the upper limit of the RH. The lower limit and upper limit act as a range within which the humidifier unit operates. Always make sure the lower limits are always lesser than the higher limit. The higher limit always sets the above the lower limit. By mistake, if you do any changes, like the setting of the lower limit at the higher number than the higher limit, the unit doesn't work. Vice versa. So once you do the settings, one important thing that you have to mind while doing the installation, that's the sensor unit. The sensor unit always need to be installed away from the walls and ceilings. So try to install anchor and then adjust the sensor, tie the sensor to the anchor. Thank you for watching.